morning, students. Now, today I am going to explain types of force. Force is divided into two types, contact force and non-contact force. Contact force, when the two objects are touching each other, they are in direct contact to each other. It is again divided into two types, muscular and frictional force. Non-contact force, the object with are acting from a distance, then it is known as non-contact force. It is of three types, gravitational force, magnetic force and electrostatic force. One by one, I will explain all the five types of forces to you.
First is muscular force. That means the force exerted by the muscles of the body is called muscular force. Example is running, weightlifting by the weightlifters, then doing exercise, pushing, pulling, kicking, climbing, pushing the football. All these are example of muscular force, and this is due to the muscles of the body. It is also done by animals. Second is frictional force. The force which always opposes the motion of one body over another is called frictional force. It is always opposite to the motion. You can see here, when a man push a heavy box, then there is a friction opposite to the motion of the box. Second example, sliding an object. When an object slides from an inclined surface, then there is friction between box and the table. Then next is the burning of matchstick. When we burn a matchstick, there is friction between matchstick and a matchbox. Rubbing our palms, there is friction between the palms. These are the examples of frictional force. Next is gravitational force, which is a non-contact force. It is the pull exerted by objects possessing mass is called gravitational force. And you can also say that the force with which the earth pulls the objects towards it. Here you can see that the apple is dropping down from the tree. Then the phenomena that keeps our feet on the ground, it is also due to gravity. It also possesses due to mass. That means we are able to sit together due to the gravitational force. Next is magnetic force. The force exerted by the magnet is called magnetic force. The two ends of the magnet is known as poles, and there is attraction between the opposite poles. That means if the south and north poles come together, then there is attraction and repulsion between the same pole. Magnet also exert a magnetic force on the object made up of iron, steel, nickel and cobalt. It does not exert a force on objects made up of copper, wood or glass. The last one is electrostatic force. The force exerted by an electrically charged object is called electrostatic force. Two types of charges are there in the object, positive charge and negative charge. When the same charges come together, that means positive positive or negative negative, then there is repulsion between the objects. And if the opposite charges come closer, that means one object is positively charged and other is negatively charged, then there is attraction between the objects. You can understand it by the following examples. When we bring a plastic ruler or plastic pen near the uncharged object, that means sometimes the charged object can attract uncharged object also. Here the uncharged object is bits of paper, then the ruler or pen will attract the bits of paper. Same as here in the case of balloon, when we bring it near the object, it attracts it. So these are all about the types of forces. I think now you are able to understand it.